Hello, greetings to everyone watching. This is Nkau Tutor, and this is the third. This is the third part. It's part three of the employee program. So the first tutorial I explained how to code a class employee, then code a default constructor, provide an overloaded constructor, then code accessor methods, override to string method, and also call a method to change a certain parameter. And then the second tutorial, I showed you how to use how to test your application to see if the program you coded the employee class properly. So now the third one is it's the final step, which is you implement the employee class, and then as an application, as a console application to yeah to do the job that it's meant to do. So the first part, you create the employee class. Then the second part, you test if the employee class works properly. Then the third part is you create the application that utilizes the employee class. So first of all, we have to accept the staff number, name, age, and salary of the employee. So let's go back here. Let's copy this here, these declarations. Copy. And then we're going to paste them right here. So it declared the staff number, name, age, and the salary. So now, in order to get these values from the user, we use a class called the scanner. The scanner class, scanner in equals to new scanner system.in. So we need the scanner class to get input from the user. So you'll get an error first, and then you just import the scanner, and then everything will be okay. So now, how do we accept the staff number? So first of all, we say staff number equals to in dot next line. And then the name equals to in dot next line. And then the age equals to in dot next integer, since it's an integer, since age is an integer. And then double salary, so salary will be next double. Salary equals to in dot next double. Okay, we've done that, but now the user won't know what data he has to input or she has to input. So now we have to tell the user what to input. So now above the staff number, before we get the staff number, we have to tell the user that we want the staff number, right? So say enter staff number. Then it's going to prompt the user for a staff number. And then we do this again. So now we're going to prompt the user for the name of the employee. Enter the name. Now we have to prompt the user for the age. enter age. Now I have to prompt the user for the salary. Enter salary. So now we have all this input from the user. What do we do with this input from the user? We create the object. So now how do we create the object? It's as simple as employee OPJ, which is for object of employee class. You can name it whatever you want, but I like to keep things simple and say OPJ as an object of the employee class. Then new employee. And then, as I've said last time, it does it for you automatically. If you already declared the values properly, then it does it for you automatically. But otherwise, you'd have to type in everything manually and stuff. So, but here, Vele, it's supposed to take everything automatically if you typed in the right names and stuff. So now we created the object. Now we have to display employee data. So all we have to do is OPJ employee dot toString. Now we've displayed the employee data. What do we do now? We have to get a percentage from the user called increase salary method. So we go back up there where we declared the instance variables. So let's declare a percentage. Double percentage. So what do we do? We have to prompt the user for the percentage. Enter percentage for increase. And then we call that method percentage equals to in dot next double. Now we call the increase method, increase salary method in the object increase salary percentage. Okay, now the salary has been increased. Now it says display employee data, and then we are done. So what's the employee data again? OPJ employee, and now we're done with the application. So let's run it. Enter staff number. Let's say it's 123. 123. The name of the employee. Since it's a tutorial, let's just call that person tutorial. I can't even spell tutorial. Tutorial. Hey, yo, that's bad. But okay, it's fine though. Then the age, this is my it's 6. Yeah, It's my sixth. Then let's say 7,000 rand maybe. So employee staff number, it's 123. Name is tutorial. Age is 6. Salary 7,000. Minimum wage is 5,000. We have to go back to the employee and modify the toString method not to include the minimum wage. So enter percentage for increase. So let's say 50% increase. That will increase the salary to 10,500 rand. So yes, the salary is now 10,500 rand. Let's go back to the employee class and modify this to string and remove minimum wage. Okay, all is well. Yeah, I think we're done. Thank you for watching. Then you can request something else that I should do in the comment section. Thank you for watching.